This day and age, we're seeing and experiencing things we never thought we would see and experience again. Things such as many human rights violations going unnoticed and even a global pandemic. My name is Mehliya Cetinkaya. I'm 14 years old. I live in Edmonton, Alberta, and both of these issues impact me. I'm born and raised in Canada, however, I'm an ethnic Uyghur. Few of you may have heard this term, few of you may not. Uyghurs are an ethnic Turkic minority living in East Turkistan. Being a minority in your own country seems unheard of. Unfortunately, it's not impossible. Uyghurs have been under oppression for the past 70 years under Chinese Communist Party regime. China's goal has always been to assimilate the Uyghurs. They've tried to achieve this goal by putting in laws which violate freedoms of expression and freedom of belief. Laws include such as no wearing hijab, no speaking your language, no going or partaking in any type of cultural activity, and many more that are just absurd. 2016, they implemented a new tactic: concentration camps. These concentration camps are unsanitary, inhumane, and just outright horrendous. Now, the situation in these concentration camps on its own is horrible. With the new Chinese virus, the threat of this virus going into these camps is fatal. The Chinese virus is new and complicated and has caused multiple countries to close down its borders. With this being said, Chinese authorities claim to have released Uyghurs from these concentration camps. How many of them are actually being released? We don't know. But those who are being taken straight to forced labor factories, where they're forced to work in unsanitary and very similar factories to the concentration camps. Now, in these factories, they are forced to mass produce big companies' products. Those being taken to these so-called workplaces are in no shape to be work. They should be hospitalized, as their condition coming out of these concentration camps are horrible. How is China getting away with this? Well, with the new Chinese virus being a global pandemic, everyone's focused on finding a cure and protecting their citizens from this virus. And they do not realize the mass number of Uyghurs going missing. We urge the big companies accepting merchandise from China to stop that supply. And we demand that the Chinese government releases more than 3 million Uyghurs from these concentration camps.